Hey, you know what? Here's a tip for you. In the summer, let's say it's in the summer and you want to turn this on. Generally, I would say the ceiling fan should be in the very opposite direction as what it's going here. It should be going the very opposite so that the air is blowing straight down. Well, guess what's right below this is a couch. And the person who sits on that couch, she doesn't like this air blowing straight on her. So I told her, I said, hey, in the summer, leave this run this very same direction. It's going to pull your air from the bottom up, and it's going to come around down on this wall, and it's going to come and circle back around, and it's going to get her right behind the neck, and it's going to cool her off that way. Incidentally, here's something else. If you got a room like this, because see, this room has walls all the way around it here, so what you can do with that is the air is always going to be blowing down, and you're going to feel it more. When you're over here, you're going to feel it down behind your neck, down behind, if you're sitting over there at that chair, if you're sitting here at this couch. And if you want it even cooler, here's something else. We've got some exterior windows. That window opens. Here's another one on the other side of the fireplace. That one opens, and these two windows here happen to open too. You can prop those open, even if it's, let's say, 80 degrees outside, and you don't want to turn your air conditioner on because you got your ceiling fan here. You're trying to save money and be frugal about it. Open up your windows. Okay, let some of that air come in here. What's going to happen is that air is going to come across this way, and it's going to be drawn up to the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan's going to suck it right up in there. It's going to blow it on the ceiling straight up above. Then it's going to go across over to that wall, on back down, and it's going to filter on over this direction. Okay, same thing on this side. It's going to hit this wall. It's going to come down. Because you have a couch here, you're going to feel it, and that's going to cool it off. Then it's going to go back up and around she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows, except you are going to be cooler. Wherever you sit in this room, you're going to be cooler. Okay, so there's a tip for you if you don't want this ceiling fan to blow straight down on you. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.